In this video, I'm going to show you how to view private inventory in Roblox. Now, this works sometimes in case there's some certain things the person you're trying to view their inventory have done, okay? So, you first need to find the user you would like to view the inventory or the private inventory potentially of. So, I'm in here inside a random group and I'm going to click on one user. So, let's say I want to click on this one. And then once on their profile, if you click those three dots over here and press inventory, you'll see that in case their inventory is private, you won't see anything, okay? So as you can see, their inventory isn't private over here, but I'm still going to show you how you can do it, okay? So what you want to do is once you're inside their on their profile, just like I'm over here, you want to press those three dots, and instead of pressing inventory, you want to click on favorites. And now this will open up this favorites tab, and in case they have favorited some of their items, even though they may be inside their private inventory, you'll be able to see those items over here. Now as you can see, if I go under head over here, as you can see, there's two items I was not able to see earlier, but I can see now because the person has favorited those. And yeah, despite them having a private inventory, you can still see some of the items that they have favorited. Now, there's no way of seeing the entire inventory of theirs if it's private, but you can at least get an overview of some things that they have favorited in their inventory this way.